Hi, my name is Lance Fryrear, and I'm the owner of the law offices of Lance Fryrear. We're a criminal defense firm located in Lynnwood, Washington, and we've been defending people charged with DUI and all other types of crimes for the last 20 years. So if you're watching this video, you probably got arrested for a DUI, you got charged with a DUI, and the DUI probably involved marijuana. And a marijuana DUI is sort of a newer thing in Washington State. It's a complicated area of the law. It takes a certain type of experience to handle those cases, and that's what we're here to do. So if you got charged with a DUI involving marijuana, you probably feel afraid. You probably feel that it's not fair, that you felt you were okay to drive. Because after all, the limit for marijuana, it's 5 nanograms is the limit. It's sort of arbitrary. It's some made-up number. And what you'd really probably want to be able to feel is some clarity, to know what to expect, and also to know that you can have a good outcome and everything's going to be okay. So a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Lance Fryrear. I grew up in Lincoln, Nebraska, a smaller town, and like a lot of us, I was sort of bullied as a kid. I had a particular type of abuse towards me because my eyes don't line up right. Kids would point at me. I remember someone wrote me a get well card with one eye of the little stick figure that was me pointed up here and one eye pointed down there. And that really made me feel not protected. It made me feel like, the teachers weren't looking out for me, even my parents weren't, and that taught me some lessons that I've brought to our defense work of our clients. It taught me to fight. It taught me to fight to make sure that you're not categorized because you're charged with a crime. It taught me to fight to make sure that you don't feel lost and alone, because that's oftentimes how we feel when something's gone wrong. And it also taught me to fight for the best possible result, for that rainbow or that bright sunny day at the end where we can say this is all over, it's behind you, and the result was a really great result. So in trying to achieve that for my clients, we've had to develop a certain type of plan. We call it the Triple Action Defense Plan. And if you work with our firm, you're going to get to use the Triple Action Defense Plan. It's basically 3 steps that we do to try to get a great result in your case, and 3 steps that we have you do to make sure that there can be a great result in your case. And as far as I know, we're the only firm in Washington State using the Triple Action Defense Plan. And if you work with us, you're going to get to be a part of the Triple Action Defense Plan. So what could you expect also if you work with us? Well, you could expect to have the best possible representation in court. You'd expect to know how to walk into the courtroom like an innocent person walks into a courtroom. You could expect to have a very positive result. That's what we want, and that's what you can expect. So if that sounds good to you, if you want clarity, if you want to have that positive outcome, then what are the next steps? Well, the next steps are just to give us a call. You could also submit a form here on the website, but give us a call. And when you give us a call, you will talk to a member of our team. The member of our team will listen to what happened. They'll give you some idea about what to do. And if you want, they'll set you a consultation with one of our attorneys. So our consultations are free. We don't charge for a consultation. And at that consultation, which can be by video, or it can be by telephone, or even in person, we're going to listen to what happened. We're going to identify your steps forward, and we're going to make it so you can sleep again at night. So give us a call, let us help you, and we'll do everything we can. We'll be there for you.